Yes. Vlog one, take one. The first Sherby vlog ever featuring Taylor.
What's up?
4th of July. About to go boom. See you later. So we're doing this vlog on the 4th annual River Out Fireworks Show. We're getting everything set up. Taylor just left me. He went to go get some more last minute stuff. I got my trusty PBR though, so there's no worries. Got my booze. Got some tiki torches. All the grub over here. Ham dogs. Hot burgers. It's gonna be going down. Potato chips. Bluetooth speaker. There's all the bigger cakes. We got everything a lot more set up now. Just about done. Table back there. See the line of tiki torches. If I get my face out of the way. Yes. We got my little brother. We got Taylor, Donnie, and his girlfriend. Come check out the rest of the fireworks. Check this out. Got 2 boxes of fireworks right there. And then all the big stuff, of course. Kid Rock on a little baby radio. Jordanian thinks he can grill, but he can't. Look at him. Get over there again, Jordanian. Get over there.
You have to learn today.
He can't grill for shit. Taylor can.
Hey, Photoshop this out. No, I was going to act like I turned this on
video.
And then light it.
That's a vlog, bro.
You can Photoshop it.
It's a vlog.
I don't know what the fuck that is. Were those
There's Chance repping his phase or whatever that is.
Phase adapt.
Guy. Here's your Diane. Not knowing what the fuck he's doing. Oh, I gotta zoom out. Sous Chef J Ducky. Trying to light a fire with a torch.
Yeah, because no one got a lighter fluid or tongs.
Tongs. Tongs don't start fires, bud.
You want to get my backup torch?
That happened last year.
Cavemen didn't have tongs. Chance over there doing some crazy stuff. What are you doing, Chance? Man, things are fast athlete. Phase adapt. Crazy.
Hot dogs are slamming.
Hot dogs are slamming. Campfire / grill charcoal fire.
Gotta get that wood taste.
But yeah, man, you have that.
The natural hickory,
Yeah.
hickory branch, natural hickory branch cheeseburgers. Here's another shot of the fireworks. We got Lowrider Nights. It's a Mexican firework, I think. Made in Mexico.
Hey,
Balzac's here with his girlfriend at the rare site. Let's go get him.
act like they're a celebrity.
Got Balzac and his girlfriend, Madison, right there. Say hi to the vlog. I'm doing a vlog, my first ever vlog. It's gonna be bad.
Hi.
Hi, Balzac. You like our setup over here?
Yeah, pretty nice.
It's right over there.
Yep.
That's Balzac and his girlfriend. About to get Balzac's reaction on the fireworks, see what he thinks about it. What do you think about those fireworks?
That's nice. That's real nice.
Is that a crap ton? Pick up the divide and conquer right there.
Pick it up.
Yeah, pick it up.
Pretty heavy.
Yeah, how heavy? Like, take a guess.
I don't know. Very.
Like 400 pounds?
Probably.
You're a liar.
Yeah.
It's like 30 pounds. Look at those dandies over there.
What we can do with the fireworks?
Oh my god, I don't even want to hear it. Vlog over.
Oh my
Get
God.
that frog. Come here, buddy.
Not the little one.
There you
No,
go.
it's just.
Hold it right there.